What's up, my pungios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over this upper catching protective housing mount for your Osmo Pocket 3. DJI does give you the option to buy the creator kit. Having something that will cover the gimbal as well as the screen is something important. Neewer has this awesome GP40 protective covering so that it can fit over your Osmo Pocket 3 with this low profile so that you can still carry this around without having a bulky case. With that said, I did purchase this with my own money. I will have a link down below in the description for the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Let's go and unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Sometimes I want to travel super minimalist here, and having a bulky case to carry everything isn't necessarily what I want to do. I want to go ahead and have something that will protect so I'm not having to lug around so many things, especially if I'm going to like the beach or the amusement park, whatever it is. This protective case I think is really awesome. It's made out of polymer material, and you can see here it's this hard shell protective covering that is scratch resistant. It will give you that sense of comfort here as you have it in your pocket or in your backpack, that it's not going to get damaged or bumped around. Now that we have it unboxed here, you can see that this protective covering is meant for the actual creator case itself. What you can do is place this little tab here right into the slot where you would place the DJI mic if you wanted to use this as your mic, and then it flips down, giving you a complete enclosure around the entire unit. We're gonna go ahead and put the Osmo Pocket 3 back in its case. It fits there perfectly, and now we can go ahead with this joint, close it off, and with the silicone, pull it tight shut. It gives you a nice hard shell protective covering that I always felt was needed, that the creator kit didn't necessarily provide. When you're done, you can go ahead and peel it off, open it up, and have full access to your Osmo Pocket 3. I like this, very clever. If you wanted to have an accent, you can choose to place the orange on there. I think that's classy, giving you that sleek look there in orange, which I think is really nice to have. It doesn't block your ability to still charge or have the extension rod if you want. I think this is a great option. I think this is really awesome for the Osmo Pocket Creator Kit. You can see here, it does fold back, giving you extra protection here in the event of a mishap. It's nice to be able to throw it in your bag, and it doesn't add much extra to the real estate, especially if you have a bag here that you want to travel with it in. It's not going to damage or have any issues in your travels. With that said, I do have a relationship with Neewer, although they did not provide this to me complimentary, nor did they sponsor this video. I will have links down below in the description with the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it does help out the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.